I did hear that the astronauts got to do some amazing stargazing.
I heard that too.
Looking at the stars, the moon, our own planet. But for astronomy, there's a couple cool things that could happen. First, again, we're learning how to work in deep space. The Artemis II astronauts set a distance record for the farthest humans have traveled from the moon. They were over 250,000 miles from Earth. We have put telescopes, the James Webb Space Telescope, 1 million miles from the moon. So that's 4 times as far as they went. We have a new telescope, the Nancy Grace Roman Telescope, launching later this year that will also be that far away. And we have even bigger plans in the future. So learning how to keep humans safe in deep space gives us lessons that we can then apply to how to keep observatories safe in deep space and how to keep getting as much science out of them as possible. There's also the really cool possibility of maybe someday doing astronomy on the moon. The Apollo program actually did put a little telescope on the moon. It's the kind of telescope that you would imagine in someone's backyard, but it observed ultraviolet light. So this is light that's too blue for our eyes to see. We sometimes hear about ultraviolet light as the stuff that gives us sunburn, but most of it can't make it through Earth's atmosphere. So pointing a telescope on the moon that can capture ultraviolet light, that was the very first telescopes like that we built, was an amazing accomplishment. So it's fun to think about what we could do with this pristine environment with no atmosphere that's so dark. We could potentially do some really exciting observing there.